Hi everyone, today we're solving the question 40 square plus 41 square plus 42 square plus 43 square all over 18. And the instruction for the question is without using a calculator. So how are we going to achieve this? This is equal to 40 square plus, know fully well that 41 is same thing as 40 plus 1, all in parentheses square. The plus in the 42 is just the same thing, or it can be written as 40 plus 2, all in parentheses then square. Then for 43, 40 plus 3 all square. Why did I do that? It's just because I can see by looking critically that 40 is present in 41 and also in 42, 43 likewise. So by expanding in this way, we haven't changed anything. This is still 41, this is still 42, this is still 43 as it is in the question. All these over 18. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to say let x equals to 40. So by equating x to be 40, this my question can now be written as x squared plus wherever I see 40, I'm going to replace that with x plus 1 raised to the power of 2 plus another x plus 2 all in parentheses raised to the power of 2, then plus x plus 3 all in parentheses raised to the power of 2, everything over 18. I'm going to need a certain mathematical identity which says when I have a plus b and all square, it's just the same thing as a square plus 2ab then plus b square. Or in this case, applying this is going to be my a, this is my b, here this is my a, 2 is my b, then here this is my a, 3 is my b. This expression cannot be written as x squared, that is the first one, plus x squared, then plus 2x plus 1 square. 1 square is just 1. That is the expression of this. And to the next one, I'm going to have x squared plus 4x then plus 4 bracket close plus the last one, which is x plus 3 square. I'm going to have x squared plus 6x then plus 9 close, and everything all over 18. Don't forget, so openly I now have this is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus x squared plus 6x plus 9 all over 18. So this time around I need to add up the like times. I have one x squared here, another x squared here, I have another x squared here, another one here. Adding all of them together, I have 4x squared. So to the x variable, I have 2x here plus 4x making 6x plus another 6x, that is 12x. So I write plus 12x. Then the constants, I have 1 here plus 4 here, that is 5, then plus 9 here. The total is 14 all over 18. However, at this point I need to remember what my x is. Of course, from the beginning we said let x equals to 40. Therefore I'm going to replace every x with 40. I have 4 into 40 raised by the power of 2 plus 12 into 40 then plus 14 all over 18. I'm going to multiply out since calculator is not allowed. So 40 times 40 That is 4 times 4, that is 16. Then the 20 I had that is 1600. So now I'm going to write 4 into 1600 plus 12 times 40. Now I write 12 multiplied by 40, which is equal to, so I'm going to say first 12 times 4, and that is going to be 48. Then adding the 0 here, so I have 480. Always remember, we are not allowed to use calculator at all. Then the last one, which is plus 14 all over 18. Multiplying 4 by 1600. First of all, we're going to multiply 4 by 16. That is the first thing, and actually that is 64. Then the 00 in front of 16, we just add it here. Don't forget, calculator is not allowed. Then plus 480, then plus 14, everything still all over 18. To hold this numerator, you have 6400, then we have 480, then we have 14. Summation of everything, we add them together, and we have 4 here, we have 9 here, then we have 8 here, then we have 6 here. That is 6894. So at the end of the day, we have 6894 all over 18. Can cut these to simplify it. Don't forget, always remember, calculator is not allowed. So let's cut this and see what we're gonna get. Okay, I can see I have even number at the end of the numerator and at the same time at the end of the denominator. So which means 2 can go. Yeah, 2 is going to do a lot of work here. 2 goes here, that's going to be 9. 2 goes here, that's going to be 3. 2 goes here, that's going to be 4. 2 goes here, that's going to be 4. And we have 1 left to put that one here, making 14. So 2 goes in 14, that's going to be 7. Of course, this is very clear. We have 3, 4, 4, 7 over 9. So at this point, is there something that can still go in order to reduce this further? We have 3,447 over 9. Yes, 3 is going to divide both of them so as to reduce it further. 3 goes in 9, that is going to be 3. Then 3 goes that is 1. 3 in 3, that is 1. Then 3 in 4, that is 1. Also remainder 1. So we bring that 1 closer to the next figure and making it 14. So 3 in 14, that's going to be 4. Then remainder 2, that remainder will bring closer to the next figure, and that is 27. Then 3 in 27, obviously that's going to be 9. So we have 1149 over 3. Okay, is that all what we've got? No, that is not all what we can do. We can still go further. Also, 3 goes there, that's going to be 1. 3 goes there, that's going to be 3. Then we have 2 left. Putting that 2 at the side of 4, we have 24 now. 3 goes in 24, that is going to be 8. Then we have 9 left. 3 goes in 9, that's going to be 3. So at the end of the day, we have 383. That is our final answer. You can use calculator at the end of the day at the other end there and confirm if this answer is correct. Write it down at the comment section. I'm going to read that. So 383 as the answer from the beginning. That is, this equals to 383. If you ever use calculator and get this, let me know at the comment section, and if it is not, let me know also. And just before we go, if you have ever gained anything, no matter how little it is, please kindly do this for me. I'm gonna need you to do this, do this, do this, and do this. It's gonna go a long way. Thank you.